Hi, this is Denton from Multisure. In today's video, I will cover how to make use of the Multisure Business Opportunity on the internet. I have prepared a PowerPoint presentation in order to show you. So let's have a look at it and see how easily it can be done. So here's the PowerPoint presentation I have prepared. And as you can see, the heading says it all. Internet recruiting, work anywhere you want, whenever you want. So how does this work? You need to take out a policy with Multisure for yourself. We provide a legal assist and funeral cover policy, and you have to subscribe to at least one of those policies in order to make use of our business opportunity. Once you do so, you receive your policy or membership number, example 00-12345. This unique membership number is what you use when you interact with our company. It links you to our systems. The same membership number enables you to make use of our business opportunity online or offline, but it is entirely optional. All you have to do is advertise the free replicated Multisure website which has been created for you as part of your membership. The format to use when you advertise is www.multisure.co.za / and then your membership number. For example, www.multisure.co.za / 00-12345. When you do this, you give yourself the opportunity to earn an unlimited income as fully explained in our training manual, which you can obtain from our offices. An updated training manual video will also be available soon. In this video, I only want to show you how to use your membership number to earn money from anywhere at any time on the internet with our system. Should others join the company using your replicated website, then you will automatically start earning commission for helping us grow our business. What's more, if those people who joined using your link start doing the same, then you will earn commission from people who join using their links as well. Once again, all of this is covered in our training manual referred to earlier. Let's look at a few examples of adverts which you can create. The first advert I have put on screen is "Don't let your income go on lockdown," obviously referring to the current situation in South Africa during which we are all under lockdown due to the coronavirus. The second advert says "Funeral cover for your family has never been more important than right now." Once again, obviously referring to the current state of the country and in fact the world. The third one says "You have rights. What's the use if you don't know how to protect them? Get a lawyer on your side 24/7. That obviously refers to our legal assist product. And as you can see, all the adverts created on screen have got the Multisure website address / and the membership number which we have been using in the examples up to now. You will of course create your own adverts and insert your membership number after the /. It is very important to use the / and the dash in the number, otherwise people will be referred to the wrong website. On the right hand side of the screen, you see some pictures are downloaded from the internet. You can use that with your adverts or without the adverts. It's entirely up to you. You can use similar ones, you can use those ones, doesn't really matter. Important points to remember about adverts. Number one, create adverts that will get people to go to your replicated website. You can either use catchy text, high quality photos, or both. And don't forget to add your link, which will be the Multisure website address / your membership number. And there we give you the example again. You want to place your advert or adverts in as many places as you can and as often as possible. Example, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp groups, and so on. Encourage others in your team to do this as well, using their own membership number, because if a lot of other people start earning money through your efforts with our system, then you start earning a great income from us. Remember, our main products are legal assist and funeral cover. These products are value for money products needed by millions of people, so whether they make use of our income opportunity or not, our company provides them with great benefits at some of the best rates available. So now that we have looked at the PowerPoint, let's go to my Facebook page where I will show you exactly how to place your advert on social media. So here I am on my Facebook page, and I'm going to insert a picture that I downloaded earlier, and then I will insert some text and save it, and you will see how easy it is to do. I've inserted it and it's uploading at the moment. So there it is, and I'm going to insert the text that goes with the picture that I've downloaded. So that is my picture that I've downloaded. I've inserted the text, and as you can see, I've inserted the Multisure website address, and I've added my membership number after the /. Maybe that is not an appropriate picture, but I'm just showing you as an example. That's the picture that I've downloaded there and I've inserted. Might speak more to the funeral cover, to family, and so on. But I'm going to leave it like that, and obviously you get the point. So now I'm going to post it, and it's done. Once people click on that link that is there, you will see what happens now. Okay, so I've now clicked on the link on the Facebook page, and I have ended up on the multisure.co.za website. Now at the top you won't see my membership number, it just shows the website address. But if you scroll down the page, then you will see that my membership number is built into the page. So if somebody uses my link and inquires on our page, needs some help or anything, then we will know it is you who referred the person to your Multisure website page. Also, if somebody now clicked on my link there, of course, in Facebook, they come, they read about our business opportunity, our products and so on, they like what they see, they click on join us, they maybe want to decide on taking out the legal cover product. Once again, my membership number is built in there, so should they make inquiries about our business or our products, then you will receive a notification as well as us, and you are then free to contact them. So this person is seen enough, wants to join, clicks on the legal cover, and there you will see my membership number is built in there. This is the full version, but you can also advertise the shortened version. As in my case, I just use 00-1, and then when it gets to the page, then it actually fills in the complete number. So maybe this person decides no, doesn't want to join the legal anymore, rather go for the funeral. So come here, join us. So the funeral cover product, click here, and once again you will see my membership number is built into the page. So should this person join on this page, then I will be allocated to this person, and I will get a notification also when this person joins and takes out the policy, so that I can maybe be in touch with this individual. Okay, so what happens if another member's number is inserted after the website address? Let's try 777, which I know is a valid number, and I scroll down, and you see now that member's membership number is inserted on the page. So if they somebody goes onto the page, they ask for more information, we will identify this as the member who referred the person to our website. Once again, let's click on join now. This person wants to join in a funeral cover product, and as you can see, the membership number is again built into the page and it cannot be changed. So that is basically how our website works when you advertise your replicated multisure.co.za website with your membership number, and you will receive notifications of each and every person that joins your team or joins after you have referred them to us, and obviously when they start paying, you start earning commission. So that's it from my side today, and how to go about doing internet recruiting. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Please remember to click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Please remember to like our video, give it a thumbs up, and also comment in the section down below as to what you would like to see dealt with in the next video, or whether you've got any other comments, suggestions, or questions, and we will do our best to answer those for you. Have an awesome day. Until the next time.